How are you? I hope you all are fine. তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো? You know, we cannot attend school due to the coronavirus disease. So, we have decided to take online classes for you. Let me introduce you to our male nurse, Mr. Nityunjay Khan of SRI RAMAKRISHNA ASHRAMA INSTITUte. We will discuss today the safety measures we should maintain for COVID-19. First, wash your hands with soap.
Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5.
Step 2. Use a sanitizer. Step 3. Wear a mask. You should cover your nose and mouth also. Step 4. Drink plenty of water. I hope you all have known how to maintain these safety measures at home. Please take care of yourself and your surrounding. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.